What's the meaning of accompany? Accompany. 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 The word accompany means to go with someone or something. It can also mean to provide musical accompaniment for someone who is singing or playing an instrument. In a more general sense, to accompany something means to be associated with it or to happen at the same time. For example, you might say that a thunderstorm is accompanied by lightning. Here are some examples of how the word accompany can be used in a sentence. I asked my friend to accompany me to the doctor's office. The singer was accompanied by a pianist. The storm was accompanied by high winds and heavy rain.